exponents, you take this problem, that is 2 power of 5. That means above the small number and below big number. You need to multiply this to 5 number of times like this. That is 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. This is known as 2 power of 5. I going to tell next parts of this. That is, you can multiply 2 times of 2, which becomes 4, and 4 times of 2, it becomes 8, and 8 times of 2, which becomes 16. Let's find it out. 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 times of 2 8, 8 times of 2 16, 16 times of 2 32. This becomes equal to 32. Another exponent problem is this one, that is 3 cube. 3 cube can be written as 3 times of 3 times of 3. Now you can simplify and write it out. 3 times of 3 is 9, 9 times of 3 is 27, so it becomes 27. Let's take one more problem. 7 square. 7 square means you need to multiply 7 by itself 2 times. 7 times of 7, which is 49. Let's take one more problem, that is 8 power of 5. You can write this as equal to 8 times of 8 times of 8 times of 8 times of 8. It comes very big number. In the same way, if you take 10 power of 4, you're going to get, you need to multiply 10 by itself 4 times. 10 times of 10 times of 10 times of 10. Here in all of them, just count the number of zeros, multiply front numbers. 1 times of 1 is 1, 1 times of 1 again 1, 1 times of 1 again it becomes 1. There are 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 4 zeros. Now I start to tell more problems of these ones. That is, let's start by taking multiplying of exponents. Now let's simplify this one. They have given 10 power of 5. You need to simplify this. To simplify this, inside number you can write it as 2 times of 5 and whole power of 5. Now multiply this. 2 power of 5 is becomes 2 power of 5, and 5 whole power of 5, power 5 comes even to 5. This is 2 power of 5 times of 5 power of 5. Let's simplify another one. Let's simplify 20 square. 20 square, inside 20, let's divide this out. 20 can be written as 2 times of 10 is 20. Again 2 times of 5 is 10. So 20 can be written as 2 times of 2 times of 5. Now whole power of they have given square. Inside this 2 times of 2, you can simplify and write it as 2 square whole times of 5 whole power of 2. This whole power of 2 comes to even this number and even this number. That is, yes, a lazy grammar. That is, this number it comes 2 square, the power going to multiply out. 2 times of 2, 4. So it becomes 2 power of 4, and here nothing is given means it is 5 power of 1. This 5 power of 1 times of 2, it is 2, so it is 5 square. This is the simplified form of this 20 square. Let's take one more problem. That is, here they have given 30 cube. Here also you need to simplify and write like that. Let's divide this 30. 30 can be divided, take 2, 2 1 times is 2, 1 remains 10. That is 2 times of 5 is 10. Again 15 you can divide it out. 3 times of 5, which becomes 15. So let's write here 30 cube, you can write it as 2 times of 3 times of 5 times of whole cube. Now this cube comes to all of them. That is 2 cube. 2 also cube going to come. Even 3 also cube going to come. And even 5 also cube going to come. 2 cube times of 3 cube times of 5 cube. That is the simplified form of 30 cube. I going to tell now how to multiply and divide exponents. Here 2 square times of 2 cube times of 2 power of 5. In all of them you can find it out. 2 is the common base. So take 2 as the common base. When you multiply exponents, either base must be same or exponents must be same. Now base same I explain. All of them take 2 as the common base, add up the powers. That is 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So it going to become 2 power of 10. Let's explain another one problem. Here it is 3 power of 1 times of 3 power of 5 times of 3 power of 7. Here also in all of them the base is 3. So take 3 as the common base. Here also base is 3, here also base is 3 and here also base is 3. Then add up the powers, that is 1 plus 5 plus 7. Now if you add 1 plus 5 becomes 6, 6 plus 7 becomes 13. So this problem gives to 3 power of 13. Let's take one more problem. Here they have given 4 square times of 2 cube times of 2 power of 8. Now how to do this one? Here there is 4 and here there is 2. Let's first add up the, take 4 square here itself, and this 2 here also base is 2, here also base is 2. So take 2 as the common base and add up the powers, that is 3 plus 8. If you add 3 plus 8 becomes 11. So this is 4 square times of 2 power of 11. Now you can simplify this 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square whole square times of 2 power of 11. Now multiply this inside outside number. 2 times of 2 is 4. So this becomes 2 power of 4 times of 2 power of 11. Now you can add them out, multiply them. Here also base is 2, here also base is 2. So take 2 as the common base and add up the powers. 4 plus 11. 4 plus 11 becomes 15. 2 power of 15. Now I going to tell how to multiply when powers are same. If powers are same, you can multiply like this. Here they are giving 3 square times of 2 square times of 5 square. In all of them power is 2. So you can take 2 as the common power. Then multiply all of the inside numbers. That is 3 times of 2 times of 5. Now you can write this as 3 times of 2 is 6. 6 times of 5 is 30. So this becomes 30 square. If they ask you to write in single number, you can write like this, or if they ask to expand, you can write like this. Like this, they can give one more problem. That is, here they are giving out 2 power of 5 times of 5 power of 5 times of 10 power of 5. In all of them, the power is 5. So you can take 5 as the common power. Then multiply them out inside numbers. 2 times of 5 times of 10. Only the bases you need to write. 2 times of 5 times of 10. 2 times of 5 is 10. 10 times of 10 is 100. So this is going to become 100 power of 5, or you can even simplify this out. 100 can be written as 10 square. 10 square whole power of 5. This you need to multiply when there is bracket comes inside and outside. 2 times of 5 is 10. So this becomes 10 power of 10. Let's take one more problem. Here you can write like this. That is the multiplying 2 power of 5 times of 4 square times of 8 power of 3. Now you need to simplify. 4 is you can write in terms of 2, that is 2 square, and 8 also you can write it as 2 cube. Let's take all of those to base of 2. Let's write 2 power of 5 as it is, and 4 you can write it as 2 square whole square, and 8 you can write it as 2 cube times of whole cube. Now multiply inside and outside numbers in the bracket. That is 2 power of 5 times of 2 times of 2 is 4. So it becomes 2 power of 4 times of, here also multiply inside and outside numbers. 3 times of 3 becomes 9. So it is 2 power of 9. Now all of them the base remains as 2. So take 2 as the common base. Now add up the powers. That is 5 plus 4 plus 9. If you add, you're going to get 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. This becomes 2 power of 18. This is about multiplying exponents. Now I'm going to tell how to divide exponents. For dividing also, here either the base must remain same or power must remain same. 2 power of 8, 2 power of 5 divided by 2 power of 5. When this number here also you can take 2 as the common base, and when this number comes above, this power becomes negative from denominator to numerator. So this 8 remains here, and this comes above, this plus 5 becomes minus 5. So it becomes 2 power of 8 minus 5, it is 2 cube. Let's take one more problem. Here you can write it as 3 power of 8 divided by 3 square. Here also base is 3, here also base is 3. Take 3 as the common base, and above power minus below denominator power. So it going to become 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 means it is 6. This plus 2 becomes minus 2 when comes above. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 5 power of 5 divided by 5 square. Now above also 5, below also power is 5. So take 5 as the common base, and the numerator power remains positive. When denominator comes above, it becomes negative minus 2. So this number is nothing but 5 minus 2 is 3. So it is 5 cube. Let's take one more problem. Here you can take like this. That is, they are given 7 cube times of 7 square divided by 7 power of 1. Now how to do it out? The above powers, all of them 7 is the common base. So take 7 as common base. In numerator, you need to add up the powers. That is 3 plus 2. So you can add it as 7 power of 3 plus 2. When denominator power comes above, it becomes negative minus 1. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this becomes 7 power of 4. Let's take like this another one problem. That is 8 power of 3 times of 8 power of 5 divided by 8 power of 6. Here all of the bases are 8. So you can take 8 as the common base. Now add up the powers, and in the numerator and denominator power comes above, it becomes negative. 3 plus 5 minus this one comes above, it becomes minus 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 6 becomes 2. So it is 8 square. 8 square you can simplify out as writing 8 as 2 cube. 2 cube whole square. Now multiply. When there is brackets, you need to multiply. When this complete number is multiplying, you need to just add up the powers. Here 3 times of 2 is 6. So it is 2 power of 6. That is the simplified form of this. Let's take one more problem. Now I'm going to tell how to divide when the powers are same. That is 3 square divided by 5 square. See here, bases are different. Here it is 3, here it is 5. But both of them have square as the power. So take square as the common power and write the inside numbers 3 by 5. Let's take one more problem. Here it is 5 cube divided by 2 cube. Here both of them have power 3 as common. So take out power 3 as common and write here 5 by 2. Like this, here they give one more problem, that is 2 cube times of 3 cube divided by 5 cube. In all of them there is cube, which is the common power. So take cube as the common power and write the inside numbers. That is 2 times of 3 divided by 5. 2 times of 3 divided by 5. So this is 2 times of 3, 6. 6 by 5 whole cube. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 2 power of 7 times of 3 power of 7 times of 5 power of 7 divided by this one 7 power of 7. In all of them, the 7 is the common power. So you can take 7 as the common power. Now take out the inner parts. That is 2 times of 3 times of 5. Here write it as 2 times of 3 times of 5. Here divided by 7. Now 2 times of 3 is 6. 6 times of 5, which becomes 30. So this becomes 30 by 7 whole power of 7. That is the simplified form. Now I'm going to explain what are negative powers. Negative powers means this can become positive. Here let's take 7 power of minus 2. When this complete number comes to denominator, it becomes positive. 1 by 7 square. And like that, if you take 5 power of minus 3, this complete number comes to denominator, it becomes positive. That is 1 by 5 cube. Let's take one more number. Here they are giving 7 square times of 7 power of minus 5. Now take in both of them 7 as the common base, add up the powers, that is 2 minus 5. Here even though minus, we call it as adding because we are not changing the sign. If we call it as subtracting, we change sign. 2 minus 5, 5 is bigger one, so 5 minus 2 is 3, symbol remains negative, so 7 power of minus 3. This 7 power of minus 3 you can write it as 1 by 7 cube. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving out us 5 power of minus 3. You need to write in positive form, that is 1 by 5 cube. I'm going to explain what is power of 0. Now take this. 2 power of 0 means you can write it as 2 by 2. 2 1 times 2 1 times, it remains as 1. Like this 5 power of 0, if you take it also 5 by 5, its meaning is 5 1 times 5 1 times, you can divide, it becomes 1. Any number to power of 0, it remains as 1. Here if you take 10 power of 0, it is also 1. If you take 100 power of 0, it is also becomes equal to 1. And if you take 1000 power of 0, it also becomes equal to 1. That is, any number to the power 0 becomes equal to 1. So let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 2 power of 0 plus 3 power of 0 plus 5 power of 0 plus 7 power of 0. You need to find out the value of that. That is, 2 power of 0 is 1, 3 power of 0 is also 1, and 5 power of 0 is also 1, 7 power of 0 is also 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 is the final answer. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving 7 power of 0 divided by 7 power of 3 times of 7 power of minus 5. What is the value of this one? You can write this one, 7 power of all of them, base is 7. So take us the 7 as the common base, add up the power in numerator, 0 minus 5. This 3 comes above, it becomes negative, it becomes minus 3. 0 minus 5 remains minus 5, minus 5 minus 3 becomes minus 8. So it is 7 power of minus 8. Or you can simply write it as 1 by 7 power of 8. Let's take one more problem. Here they are giving out 2 power of 3 times of 2 power of minus 5 divided by 2 power of minus 7. Now this one, you are going to tell all of them the base is 2. In all of them the base is going to remain as 2, and add up the power in numerator, 3 minus 5, and this denominator minus 7 comes above, it becomes plus 7. Now if you add 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2, minus 2 plus 7, it remains as 5. So it becomes 2 power of 5. I keep on coming like this. Explain more topics in next videos. Bye.